Hello and welcome back to a tech unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing this USB 3.0 hard drive docking station. This is for 2.5 and 3.5 hard drives and SSDs. Uses USB 3. It's by a company called Fideco, I think, as they say. That's the model number. And there's two USB A ports, TF SD card, a micro SD card, super speed at 5 gigabits per second, support for offline cloning. So this is the contents you get. You get this docking station, you get the power lead, and then you get the USB A. So let's get into this. So yeah, I was looking around, been thinking about getting one of these for a while, just in case you have to. Thought I'd get one in case I had to maybe make a copy of a hard drive or something, or you could even pick this up for if you're gonna switch out the hard drive on your gaming console. You could do it, and I think it should just put two drives in and it should work, hopefully. Right, so what we've got here, we've got the docking station itself, and it's not too big. It's quite small. I thought it would be bigger, but yeah. On the front you've got two USB 3.0s. You've got the SD card and the micro SD card. You've got your you've got a button here for cloning. It's various LEDs for power, and this way it's got some nice spring-loaded flaps on it for when you put your hard drive or SSD in. On the back you've got the USB A, the power port, and the off and on switch. Again, this is the model number. Let's see what else you get in the box. So this is just a warm note to offline cloning. Disk T is source HDD. Disk 2 is the target. So you just put your first one in there that you want to be cloned, and then clone it on a fresh device from there. Step by step installation, and that's what it does. Power lead, USB A cable, and just some instructions of how to use your device. So yeah, I bought this. I bought it for £30 on offer on Amazon, and yes, could be really good for anyone who wants to make a copy of the hard drive, or as I said, maybe changing from a hard drive to an SSD on a PC or a gaming console. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next video.